Hi, my name is Scott Prokop. I'm a professional real estate photographer. Are you thinking about offering drone photography as part of your services, but you're not sure what to charge? Look no further. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top tips for determining the right price for real estate drone photography. Whether you're just starting out in the industry or you're an experienced pro, this information will help you set your prices with confidence and attract the right clients for your business. So if you want to learn more on how to make the most of your real estate drone photography service, make sure to stick around to the end and I'll share some of my pricing tips. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how much you should charge for real estate drone photography. First of all, what is real estate drone photography? Before we dive into pricing, it might be helpful to define what real estate drone photography is. Essentially, it's using a drone to capture aerial images or video of a property. This can be really useful for giving potential buyers a better sense of the layout and surroundings of the property, not just the home. And you can also be using this to showcase certain features or aspects of the property that might be difficult to see from the ground. So what are some factors in considering the pricing? So now that we know what drone photography is, let's talk about how much to charge for it. There are a few key factors to consider when setting your prices. Number one, your experience and skills. If you're just starting out in real estate drone photography, you may want to charge a little bit less until you build up your portfolio and get some experience under your belt. On the other hand, if you're a seasoned professional with a lot of experience and a strong portfolio, you can likely charge a bit more. 2, the complexity of the job. Some real estate photography jobs might be straightforward, while others might be complex and require more time and effort to complete. You'll want to take into account the level of difficulty when setting your prices. Acreages, farmlands, easy. Shooting in the middle of the city with buildings, now that's tough. Number 3, your local market. It is important to consider what other photographers in your area are charging for similar services. You don't want to underprice yourself, but you also don't want the price to be out, considering what everybody else has charged. 4, the client's budget. Finally, it's worth considering the budget of the client you're working with. If they have a limited budget, you may need to be flexible and adjust your price accordingly. How do you estimate the cost? How do you come up with a number for your real estate drone photography services? One approach is to consider the time it will take to complete the job, including setup, shooting, post-processing, and then multiply that by your hourly rate. For example, if it takes you 2 hours to complete a job and your hourly rate is $100, then you would charge $200 for that job. Another approach is offer packaging pricing, where you offer a set of services at a fixed price. For example, you might offer a package that includes photos of the home plus drone images for $300. This would be based on the time it would do the home plus the drone shoot. You must also account for the time editing and other costs, such as drive time or whatever else. So that's all nice. But let's get the juicy stuff. How much do I really charge? For just drone photography with nothing else, I'm looking at $200 to start. This accounts for my time to travel to the job, do the photo shoot, travel from the job, get home, and process. As an add-on to an existing package, so if I'm already there doing photos, video, I charge $100. I'm already there, so this is more revenue in my pocket for the existing job. The best way to make more money is by selling add-ons while you're already there. So give them a deal. They love deals. You get more money for the job. In conclusion, determining how much to charge for real estate photography, drone photography can be a bit of a balancing act. It's important to consider your experience, the complexity of the job, local market, and the client's budget when setting all your prices. By taking all these factors into account, you should be able to come up with a fair and reasonable price for your services. I hope this helps. Good luck with your real estate photography business when it comes specifically to drones. Do you have any questions or advice? Leave them in the comments below. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you found this video useful, make sure to smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos related to real estate photography, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks.